if you are going to relax your hair anytime soon, then this video is for you. And if you used to be like me, that go to the store or to the supermarket to buy a relaxer without knowing how active the relaxer is, without knowing if there is anything called super or regular relaxer, if there's anything called lye or no lye relaxer, then this video is for you. You need to be informed. Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. If this is your first time, I am Alice and you're welcome to this channel. To my returning subscribers, you guys are the best and you know that. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about the different type of relaxers we have. So yeah, let me just say a little talk before I dive into it. So before now, whenever I used to use ozone relaxer before, and I don't even have an idea if that relaxer is super relaxer or regular relaxer, or maybe it is lye relaxer or no lye relaxer. I just know that I go to the salon, I buy relaxer and I use it. I had no idea of how active the relaxer might be for my hair. I had no idea if it was actually for my hair type. And also when I even switched my relaxer from ozone to mega growth, I still had no idea that there was something called super or regular or whatever. I just go to the salon, I want to buy mega growth relaxer, and I just buy ignorantly, like, and then I consistently having, did I just say consistently? Sorry, I constantly had relaxer bonds, and that was due to my ignorance, the fact that I had no knowledge about what a relaxer actually is. So before we say too much, let's just dive into it. So yes, what does a relaxer do to our hair? We actually have this afro hair, coily hair. So the relaxer is meant to alter the bonds of the coils to straighten it. So the relaxer, what the relaxer does is to straighten our hair, to make it easier to handle and manageable. So yes, we have different types of relaxer, and we have the relaxer we have sodium hydroxide relaxer, and that relaxer is called lye relaxer. And then we also have calcium hydroxide relaxer, which is the no lye relaxer. And then the third one is I think it's not common, but the third one is ammonium dioglycolate relaxer. It's actually a mild relaxer for those with really fine hair. So yes, those are the three types of relaxer that we know that we have. Yeah, but the popular ones is the lye and the no lye relaxer. So for the lye relaxer, actually it is a very active relaxer. It works very fast. When you apply it on your hair, it is very active, it works very fast, and it is highly recommended for those with coarse and thick hair. And it is very good to the hair strand. It's very good to the hair strand, but it causes burns to the scalp. Like, it's those with sensitive scalp are not advised to actually use the lye relaxer. And then another one, we have the no lye relaxer, which I think that one is for those with normal hair. Like, even those with thick hair can actually use it. Those with fine hair can use it because it is moderate. So, but if your hair is too coarse that it doesn't work for you, then please, you have to use the lye relaxer. So yes, the no lye relaxer is very good to the scalp. It is very gentle to the scalp, but it is not friendly to this hair strand because it causes dryness, and it makes the hair strands very, very vulnerable to breakage. So you see, I don't know, you might be wondering like, which one am I then going to choose? I mean, lye relaxer is good to the hair strands, no-lye relaxer is good to the scalp. What do I do? What do I do? What you should do is just to study your hair, know your hair, and decide. Like, once you study your hair, you'll be able to figure out the one that is best for you. The ammonium dioglycolate relaxer is a mild relaxer for fine hair, and yes, it is actually very mild. I haven't used it before, but from the research I did, it is very, very mild, and it is good for those with fine hair. Yes, if you want to know the relaxer, I think they are always boldly written in the pack when you buy it, but those that have no idea, I mean, I used to be like that. I had no idea. I used to buy Mega Growth before. I used to see super on it. I used to see regular on it, and I didn't know what it means. I mean, I just use it. I've used the super without knowing that, okay, maybe it's good for my hair or not. I've used the regular without knowing maybe it's good for my hair or not. So when you see super, it is lye relaxer. It is highly active. Like, it's very active. It works very, very fast, and it is advisable that if you are going to be using the super relaxer, let a professional do it for you. If you've not been doing it consistently yourself and you are already good at it, make sure you allow a professional to do it for you, so you don't get scalp burn, so it doesn't damage your hair. And yes, remember I said that the lye relaxer is gentle to the hair strands, while the no-lye relaxer is gentle to the scalp. Doesn't mean that the no-lye relaxer doesn't cause scalp burns. Let me tell you, it also causes scalp burn. So it all depends on how you follow the instruction. Like, you have to follow instruction, because if you don't follow instructions, then waiting you see, you go carry ammo. So whatever you see, you accept it. So about the lye and no-lye relaxer, you just have to follow instructions so that it will give you a perfect hair that you want. So in case you just want to relax your hair, then you should actually know this before you start buying different kind of relaxer that are not meant for your hair. If you have a fine hair, go for the no-lye relaxer. If you have the very thick and coarse hair, go for the super relaxer. And that doesn't mean you can't use the no-lye relaxer. You can actually use it, but if you discover that it is still not good for your hair, it doesn't give you that straight that you want for your hair, then you should use the super. Because I am also a very thick, my hair is also thick and coarse, but I use a no-lye relaxer, the regular one. So yes, although I've been complaining that it's not relaxing my hair properly, but most of the time it actually does its work, but sometimes it doesn't. And I think that could be from my own part. Maybe I didn't apply it well. I didn't do the process very well. So yes, because it actually was for both thick and fine. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you're yet to subscribe, tap on that red subscribe button, please. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye.